Hello, everyone. This is the last part of the Plato, that is critical comment. Right? Critical comments, like you say, we were studying about essence, right? So Aristotle says no essence of anything can be outside of it, but Plato ideas are intangible world. Away from the things belongs to the world of becoming. Right? When we say that this idea, there is an essence, there is an existence. Right? We took an example of cow and apple. एप्पल है, उसमें एप्पलनेस गई जब वो एप्पल बना. बट एरिस्टोटल ये पूछता है कि भाई ये दोनों चीज़ें अलग अलग कैसे हो गई. वन थिंग इज देयर इन विजिबल वर्ल्ड, सेकेंड थिंग इज इन इनटेंजिबल वर्ल्ड, दैट इज वर्ल्ड ऑफ ट्रांसेंडेंटल वर्ल्ड, और यू कैन से वर्ल्ड ऑफ आइडियाज. अभी दोनों चीज़ें साथ में कैसे आ गई, ये कैसे हो रहा है, राइट? और इन दोनों का कोई लॉजिकल रिलेशन भी तो नहीं है, कैसे करोगे तो बराबर. This was okay. But Plato says the idea is a substance which can exist in the intangible world without being maintained. Right? But Aristotle again says ideas must exist only in particulars. Idea should exist in particulars, mean individual. So substance is a concrete individual according to Aristotle. Now a substance has three elements. Substance has to be universal, it has a qualified relation, and it has an unknown substratum called matter by itself. You are getting me? Whenever there is a substance, there has to be something inside it. What is that? Matter. Right? Now, how this matter, the idea of matter is outside the world, and how this you can say hollow matter is there in this world. There is no logical reason. And according to this logic only, how we can say that particular things have idea which is there in that world. From that world, it is coming to particular thing. Yeah, we can say this is true for universal things. Crow is black. All men are mortal. You cannot encounter a crow which is white in color or red in color. Crows are black, right? So essence of crow is black, blackness. That is okay, that is for universal. But what about particular? If we take for example a man can be thin, fat, muscular, anything. So how we go on defining this particular things, right? Aristotle also point out that the Plato's theory of idea cannot establish any logical relationship between ideas and particular thing. If it is sensible, it is like non-sensible idea. The ideas too will be like sensible. That case, we require another pattern which will explain likeness between both them. It leads to fallacy of third man. If we do this, this will lead to fallacy of third man. The idea of the common element which is found many particular thing. A man has skin. Every animal has a skin, right? If every animal has a skin, then what is a universal character over here? Skin, right? Every animal has a skin. This becomes a universal character, but that skin may differ. Some has dry skin, some has moisturous skin, some has oily skin. How you can establish connection between universals and particular at the same time? This is the fallacy of third man. Please note this word, fallacy of third man. Underline this word. If you are writing these words like fallacy of third man, how you can establish relation between first man, second man, you will score the marks. Examiner will get an idea that okay, you know things and you can do it, right? So the last one, it is a contradiction. Like Plato says the pattern that individual things copy. एक इंसान के हाथ में कोई आइडिया ना, उसने क्या कहते हैं इंसान के दिमाग से उसने एक चीज़ बना दी, दैट इज़ कॉपी. मतलब ये वर्ल्ड में जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं ये सब कॉपी है. द थिंग्स विच आर देयर इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज़ फुल ऑफ कॉपीज, राइट. हाउएवर it leads to a contradiction. For example, man is a pattern of man, but itself become a copy in relation to the genus called animal. You are getting my point? Yes, this becomes a contradiction. If you say that there is a man, right? The idea of madness, from where this man has come, then you can say it is an animal. Animal, social animal is man. This is a contradiction. How you can differentiate between the main ideas? This was the Plato which is very commonly asked in all examination. Please do watch, listen, and try to underline all the words. If you want this PPT, I can share it with you. Just comment down your email addresses, it will be sent to you. If you need any assistance, email address will be given down. You can ask all your doubts. And if you want, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. There are videos, like series of videos are going to come. Stay with me, we will study and we will do everything to clear the examinations and for a basic understandings as well. If you find it good, please share with your peers or colleagues who are there studying philosophy with you and who has got some doubts. Please reach to me, my email will be given down. Ask me and please be there. Hoping to see you soon. Bye. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Thanks a lot.